Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move, a rock and touch, or touch and rock, depending upon who you talk to. Knowing how to do a first move already would be really helpful. Knowing how to lead some footwork again would be really helpful. Links to videos to help you with that in the description below in case you're not ready for that. And assuming you are ready, then it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard first move. So we go semicircle back, we come in side by side. When we twist the ladies out, we're going to pick up the full width of the ladies back with that right arm. So we're going to come right the way across. And the guy's going to weight the back foot. So we step back just as far as the lady. And the weight is solidly on the back foot for both of us. We rock onto the front foot. It looks like we're going to lead a step where we're facing each other. So we're going to come around as if we're about to take a step and we're turning towards each other. But we never push the weight across onto the foot. So we hold the weight back. So we get a touch, but no actual step. Now you could just twist out again and go rock, step. Or you could do exactly the same thing, but keep a little bit of weight down in the lead, so you actually keep the toe in contact with the floor as you go around to the back, and then lead the rock step. So contact with floor, no contact with floor, both work. We're going to do it twice, so we're just going to go touch, twist, and off the rock, off the second touch, we're going to come in and do the prep, finish the first move off, turn, face, return, and back. So, from the other side, to give you the other view, we'll talk numbers. It goes semicircle back, 1, in side by side, 2, twist back together, pick up the back, 3, touch, 4, rock, 5, touch, 6, twist out, 7, in 8, turning 1, facing 2, returning 3, and back, 4. So now we know what we're doing. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, first move, touch and rock. We go up, back, in, twist, touch, twist, touch, twist, in, under and face, return and back. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you find it fun to use out on the dance floor. Obviously, whether you just touch and rock or whether you touch with some kind of slide or drag on the way back should really be based on decisions on what you're listening to, so musical decisions. And that's about it for this one. Do like, subscribe, and put the notification bell on, because that'll tell you each time a video comes out. Subscribing helps promote the channel. Thank you to everybody who does that, and liking helps tell people which videos are going to be most useful to them. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.